This thing happen too often. Too often, I pull up on a block and I try to offer some level of education, political education to ones and ones, and it is rejected. And it is not rejected with counter arguments nor counter information. It is rejected with the idea that I never pull up on the block with money in my pocket for buy liquor. Bumbleclad. We talk about politics, and politics is about information. That is the only way anybody who's voting can be certain that they are making the right decision to vote, or they are making the right decision to vote for the particular party or person that they are voting for. I'm very surprised that people don't really give a fuck who them a vote for. They do not care what them a vote for. All them have is an abstract thinking that them want better. And wanting better is not being pursued through education. It is being pursued on the account that whoever comes around to talk to them about better is supposed to buy them liquor. Bumbleclad. I mean, this shit blew my fucking mind when we just sit down and start think about it and realize that people don't really care about politics. They only care about the fucking theatrics. And that is why politicians can come out in a certain attire, put on a fucking clown wig and nose and boot for all they care. As long as the box food are shared, as long as the 5 grand are given, as long as promises are being made, nobody give a fuck about constitution. Nobody care about policies. Nobody care about principles. Nobody care about laws. And I think they really affect the people. We refuse to think that the majority of political supporters in my country are dumb as fuck. Now me understand when Damian Crawford offer the youths them to create them own like a goat farm so they can develop a sustainable income. And what them do? Them laugh after the brother. Them start calling him a goat man to blood clot. Now me understand when Damian Crawford go to the people them and tell them say yo, education for ones and ones. Them say what? Education can yam. The tribalistic voting now go benefit Jamaica, my people. The people them not care about constitutional reform. They don't care about none of that. They don't care about the future and how decisions affect the future. So basically, when persons decide to become politicians, they have to get in it for themselves, to gather as much money as they can so they can control the people. Because without that kind of money, which sums up to millions of dollars, because a millions of dollars end up spent when a politician or a person vying for a political spot actually stop at every single fucking bar and shop where them can stop and buy people liquor in a virgin. Yeah man. So without that intention, if you create for yourself and to gather that kind of money, then you have no chance with the Jamaican people. Yo, Mr. Bounty put out a video the other day where perfectly sums up how the Jamaican people done. I go play that video there and let you write this on.
And if the party play fair or unfair, they are dieted to it. So everything we are going through, these people are good with it because they are the leaders that hold us ransom to these struggles and violence. And we are people in the country who said them dieted to them. I never hear nothing in a politics overseas named safe seat. Only in the Caribbean and Jamaica, them have something named safe seat. Tivoli Garden will never turn PMP. Jungle will never turn JLP. So how we are going to get away from PMP and JLP? Jamaican people are idiots when it comes to politics. Them like people. Them not like policy. Them not like goodness. Them like them friend. And who them mother and them papa and them granny did vote for. Tradition politics them a vote for. Me vote for Jamaica. And me love freedom and happiness and goodness. Me not like PMP, me not like JLP, me like Jamaicans. And Jamaicans not playing that. They are playing PMP and JLP. Half of the country, 3/4 of the country are PMP and JLP are them cause all the way are going to stay with we. Because we don't want to get rid of PMP, we can't get rid of them. When we want to get rid of GLP, we can't. A new party we want, you know. Not GLP and PMP, I know them. And them hell way to all the foolishness we've been going through. And Jamaican divert it to them. Because you have some community named GLP and some community named PMP. Not even the people, you know. The community. And when them people that dead off, anybody come, have a name PMP.